These are the top spiritual trips in US that have the power to ignite your soul and expand your consciousness. 1. Sedona, Arizona. This picturesque town is renowned for its stunning red rock formations, which are believed to be imbued with powerful energy vortices. These vortices are thought to be concentrated areas of spiritual energy that can facilitate meditation, healing, and personal transformation. Visitors to Sedona often engage in activities like crystal healing, sound baths, and energy work, all with the intention of aligning their chakras and tapping into the area's metaphysical essence. 2. Lilydale, New York. This historic town is the largest center for spiritualism in the world, attracting visitors from all over the globe who come to connect with the spirit world. Lilydale is home to a variety of mediums, healers, and psychics, all of whom offer visitors the opportunity to explore the realms of the supernatural. 3. Asheville, North Carolina. From outdoor meditation in the Blue Ridge Mountains to immersive workshops and retreats, Asheville offers a unique blend of Appalachian, New Age, and progressive spiritual influences that appeal to a wide range of spiritual seekers. Asheville is home to numerous wellness centers, yoga studios, and metaphysical shops, all of which cater to the spiritual traveler. Visitors can partake in crystal healing workshops, sound baths, and even visit the renowned Biltmore Estate, which is said to be imbued with a profound sense of energy and tranquility. 4. Oahu, Hawaii. From the stunning beaches of Waikiki to the sacred waterfalls and lush rainforests, Oahu is a place where the boundaries between the physical and spiritual realms seem to blur. Visitors to Oahu can immerse themselves in traditional Hawaiian practices, such as hula dancing, chanting, and the art of lei making. 5. Taos, New Mexico. This picturesque town is known for its deep connection to the indigenous Pueblo culture, as well as its long history of attracting artists, mystics, and spiritual seekers. Visitors to Taos can explore the ancient Anasazi ruins, participate in Native American ceremonies and rituals, and immerse themselves in the town's vibrant arts and metaphysical scene. 6. Orcas Island, Washington. Orcas Island is a haven for those seeking a deeper connection with nature and the divine. Visitors can engage in activities like forest bathing, mindfulness retreats, and energy work, all while surrounded by the island's serene and rejuvenating energy. The island is also home to numerous spiritual and wellness practitioners, offering a wide range of services and experiences for the spiritual traveler. This is sure among the most sacred places in U.S. 7. Ashland, Oregon. Ashland is home to numerous spiritual retreats, meditation centers, and wellness providers, offering visitors a wide range of opportunities for personal growth and transformation. 8. Honolulu, Hawaii. Honolulu has also become a hub for meditation and mindfulness retreats, as well as crystal and gemstone healing. The city hosts a variety of spiritual festivals and gatherings throughout the year, attracting a diverse array of practitioners and seekers from around the world. This is also one of the most spiritual cities in U.S. 9. Santa Fe, New Mexico. At the heart of Santa Fe's spiritual allure is its deep connection to Native American traditions and Southwestern mysticism. Visitors can explore ancient pueblos, participate in traditional ceremonies, and learn about the region's indigenous healing practices from local shamans and medicine people. By immersing yourself in these sacred spaces and engaging in transformative practices, you can embark on a journey of personal growth, connection, and self-discovery.